One of the big things in Devour, it's an indie film, right? And with not having a lot of money to hire a big Hollywood talent, we wanted the talent to be the creatures. So we had 3 incredible creature designs made by the Wayne Anderson, who, if you don't know who Wayne is, he's worked on Tomorrow War, Avatar 2 and 3, he did Stephen King's It 2017, and then The Predator. So he's incredible. He's like the next Stan Winston. So we were able to bring him on this project, and he made this incredible 13-foot werewolf named May. Here's one of her heads right here. She's gorgeous. You can check her out. Then he made a Minotaur. That was pretty amazing. And then we had like a bat monster. So we kind of focused on all 3 of those designs, and me and him did a lot of sketches and drawings. And it took about 3 to 5 months to figure out the design of May. We were really pulling back to like movies like Underworld and Dog Soldiers, American Werewolf in London, huge favorite. But we wanted that lanky werewolf. When the werewolf stood up when I was filming it, it was kind of freaky because like it was hard to discern. I know it's a person in a costume, but it's like 12 foot and walking at me, and I just kept forgetting to record because I wanted to look at it. And that's how awesome the suit came out. So the disbelief there of reality when you have a person in a suit walking and you're able to film it, it just really helps you and helps you make a better quality film. And if you put all that time and effort into really building the costume and having somebody like Wayne to help bring it out fully, it's a huge process. And for an indie film, it's kind of unheard of to go that depth, into that much depth. And we're in an indie budget. We don't have a big budget. We're working with what we can. We did an Indiegogo, but a 52-day shoot on an indie movie is pretty insane. And we ran out of money probably 4 or 5 times. So it was a crazy experience just making the monsters. But when you see the movie, when you see all of them together on screen, I mean, it's just like incredible from my standpoint, because we did 3,000 storyboards, we did all these drawings and concept art, and to see it all come together is like pretty amazing.